Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
灯
Now let's learn the pronunciation of this character.
灯的灯灯电灯电灯房间里有电灯房间里有电灯灯光灯光夜晚路旁有灯光夜晚路旁有灯光开灯开灯我开灯看书我开灯看书
Next, let's look at how to write the character. Pay attention. The left part should be written higher and the right part lower. Look carefully. The left part of this character is fire. In ancient times, there were no electric lights, so ancient Chinese people used fire for lighting. Therefore, this character means a tool that gives light at night. In Chinese culture, it symbolizes brightness, hope, warmth, good luck, and driving away darkness. When writing this character, make this stroke a little longer. Practice more and you will learn it well. That's all for today.